Hello. How's it going?
Oh, good, thanks. How are you?
I'm well. You seem relaxed.
I am. This is a really good book that I'm reading. What are you doing on the weekend? Would you like to hang out?
Oh, yeah. I was thinking of going for a hike this weekend. Would you like to come?
Yeah, okay. I'll go for a hike with you. I like going on hikes. What are your plans after the hike?
Well, I don't have anything in mind, but we can hang out after if you have time.
Okay, great. Let's ask Taylor if she wants to come with us.
Okay, I'll give her a call now. Hi, Taylor. This is Jen. Do you want to hang out with Joyce and I this Saturday? We're going on a hike.
Oh, I would love to go for a hike, but I don't really like hikes. My knees always hurt when I go for a hike.
Oh, that's too bad. We're going to the shopping mall after the hike. Do you want to meet us there?
Okay, yes, that would be fun. Where can I meet you?
Let's meet at Tea Cafe at the shopping mall at 4 o'clock. Then we can go for a drink together.
Okay, sounds great. I'll see you Saturday. Have fun on your hike.
We will, and you have fun too. Okay, bye-bye. So Taylor said she can come with us this Saturday.
Oh, that's great. Okay. See you on Saturday.
Okay, see you.
Bye.